Hi guys, welcome to Digital Rakesh channel guys. So guys, we discussed about that how we can activate Google Analytics on your particular WordPress website. So we are using a lot of plugins, every option is there. Without using plugin, how we can install it by the WordPress Google Analytics option. So I'm selecting one website, it will be here. In this website, how we can activate Google Analytics option. First of all, log in your particular Google Analytics you're particularly using on website. Selecting will be start measuring. This is the new account will be creating for Google Analytics option. First of all, here will be selecting for your particular website. Steps are very clear and add your option will be here. Click for next. After that, add your property area. So here will be add your time zone. Time zone will be using India. So you will be checking for India will be here. So here I'm selecting this option will be everything. Reporting times of India and currency will be India. Click for next option. Here, so what are your particular option will be here. Select and click for. So every option will be here. So create. Now will be start option will be select option will be India. Also will be use condition. Click for I accept. So this all will be particular process. Click for save here. Now here home page. So in this option will be activate your particular website. So here in this will be open your all websites in your particular next option. So this will be survey is important. You will be fix this survey. Now they go for learn more option. Now here admin. So here all option will be here. Setup assistance. Here all options are here in a particular post option. So your property settings in this select industry will be what are the industry you can add here. Add your particular industry will be. So this industry will be education. So will be check. Job and education. Here is the save. Now property username. We'll check here. So these are all options. Account setting. Everything is done. Now click for save. So account name and every business. Account management. So your all options. In this, what are the options needed? You can check by your things. User ID, everything here. Your particular option. So these all option will be checked. The final one, how we can activate analytics. This is a major impact. So previous and this option completely changed. Now the future will be called data stream. Here selecting for web option. In this option will be here, copy and paste the URL. So URL will be long. Just you can change by URL will be here. After this option, now here we can writing for website name mandatory field. After this one, create stream. So previous this option, what is the change? Is a completely changing the option. So here now click the create stream option. Lot of options are changing for now into the Google Analytics option. Here the simple option will be called global setting. Here just copy the code. This code will be placed in your particular website. The analytics will be activated. So we are using a lot of plugins we are using, but here just without using any plugin, the option name is simple. Go to appearance,
The option call is theme editor. So a lot of people using the plugins. Plugins are not required. They're using simple option name is called theme editor. Go to the particular header file. Just select the header file. You can place the code will be header format. So automatically is enabled by Google Analytics by using header option. So this is a very easy to activate your options. Now just header moment. Select here, upload the file. So here one question is there, sir, which plugin is better to adding the option? The adding better plugin will be called insert header and footer plugin to activate this code. So everything is done. Now we'll be using by close option. Now check. Here is the home page. Now click for real time. They show your website live traffic will be here. Now people will be coming to this website. Now you can go to refresh here. Now you can show your traffic.